Your tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about using a Bezier tool to trace any image. Maybe you want to vectorize any image. You can use the Bezier tool to trace the image depending on the parameters you want to use. So once you select the Bezier tool here, remember to put this back because from our previous tutorial we kind of trying to mess these modes here and shapes here. So take this back to regular, and also shapes here you can put it back to none. So I kind of want to show you how you can trace any image. Maybe let's say you download an image and you want to kind of have an outline and convert that to an SVG format or vectorized format. So I usually use this website called splash.com. So they have free images which you can download and use for your work there. So let's go. They have different categories there. They have 3D renders, experimental, architect. If maybe we click on fashion, you can see different images here of people. They have here a bunch of it. Let's say we download this one here. This is for Merab. We can download that. Yeah, and it's already downloaded. And you can go ahead and maybe follow her on this social media. Once you do that, you can come back to our Inkscape here. Then we can import that image from our download section, whatever the image was downloaded from. So we can select that and open. I don't interfere with these settings. They're just okay. Just leave them the way they are. Because if you use the link here, if you delete that image, then probably the one we have on our Inkscape won't show up. So you click OK, and it seems like there's a big image here. You can go ahead and resize it. You can use the minus key on your keyboard to kind of try to reduce it so that you can see the whole image at once. So before you start trying to reduce the size of the image, I would advise you to either you hold the control key to maintain the proportionality there, or you can come here and lock this one. So if you lock this, then you can now play around with the size without the image losing its proportionality there. So we can just resize it. I'm holding down the control key and using my mouse wheel to zoom in and out. This image was big, so I can put it there on my page. And now I can zoom in my page here. So here we have this nice looking image here. Maybe I can resize it further. Yeah, so we can use our Bezier tool to trace this image here. We can come here and select Bezier tool, this one, and ensure you have the mode there to regular and shape to none. So you can just start tracing from here. So I just click and you just click once, and when you find there is another shape you want to capture, you click again, then you continue. Don't click and hold, just click and leave as you take it through the shape here. So we just trace it there. I'll pause the video here, and then now you can just trace the image as you go until you finish. So I'm almost done here. So sometimes you want to drag the image to maybe move it around on the screen. So as you on the still on the Bazier tool, don't click anything. You can just come here to this bar and you can drag your image around, or you can use this bar here. Don't ensure you don't click anything within the screen. Just click and hold the bars here, but don't click anything within this working space. Once you do that, and if you make a mistake, don't worry, you can still go ahead and I'm just going to make a mistake there, and I'll show you how you can come back and do that. So our tracing is complete. So once you're done, you can come here and click this tool here, edit parts by node, so that I can just drag this one in line like that. Can drag it like this. Sorry, I'm just it's a bit pixelated there. I can also drag this like this. Also, you can add more nodes by double clicking to add more nodes to make your shape close to as much as accurate as possible. So also here you realize I have too many nodes here, so I can just select this and press delete on my keyboard. Yeah, that is deleted. So once deleted, I can just bring this to a nice looking for image there. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to make the nodes as smooth as possible. So once you have this, let me just resize it by pressing -key on my keyboard. So once that is done, I can now drag my image out of there and put it aside. So now I have this vectorized format here. Check and zoom, and I don't like this shape here. This is too sharp. Yeah, maybe that's better. Also here, can make this a bit smooth like that. This is too sharp. So if you feel you have too many nodes, you can as well go to paths, then simplify. But I don't advise doing this, because this one might make you lose some important information. So once you have this vectorized format of the image, I can come here and select the fill color. Let me have red there. So we have that nice looking. So one thing also I want to mention is that if you check down here, we have fill and stroke. So fill is currently red and our stroke is black. So we can also open fill and stroke menu there. You can also as well press Shift Control F, so that I can as well duplicate this by pressing Control D. So I have another copy. So what I usually do, I just keep that copy aside, then I now work on this. If I mess this one, I have the original with me there. So I can as well duplicate this. Once I duplicate it, so there are two currently, one is behind the other one. If I want to select the one which is behind what is currently selected, I just press and hold Alt key on my keyboard, then I click again. If I click again, that means the one behind is now the one selected, so I can even make it a different color there. So if I make it a different color, I can use the arrow keys on my keyboard to just move it, and we'll have a nice looking shape like that. What else? We can as well change the blurriness like that of the image behind there, like that. Let me make it white. So if I make it white, then this one I can make it can make it black, so that I can as well come here and have a background which is green, this green, and then I can set it to behind that, so that what that will do is I can now come here and I can make the background dark, and this is a different color. Let me have green there. Then our background to be dark, so that the other previous image can be white, and we can increase the blurriness of the, sorry, let me undo that, control that. So I want to increase the blurriness of the photo behind. Just click this one, then hold the Alt key, then click again, so that we can have some nice looking shape there. Yeah, you can as well duplicate this, Control D, then I press and hold the Alt key again to select the one behind. Then I can have a different color there. Then I can use the arrow keys to kind of move it like that. Then I don't like that color. Let me change it to that one. So this one I can also make it blurry like this. Yeah. So you can go ahead and play around with that, and you can now convert different pictures to vector. Then you can use them. Maybe you want to make a logo, or you want to use them somewhere else, or you want to use a laser cutter and have them as a key holder, or have a specific image for your use. So go ahead and play around with that, and thanks for watching, and also join the discussion. If you have any comments, any addition, you can add them in the comment section. Thanks you for watching, and let's meet on the next video. Thank you very much.